Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
Now let's divide the large numbers. Divide 9025 by 85. So first we will write the tables of 85. If you're finding difficult to write the tables, you can just multiply and make a chart like 85 ones are 85, 85 twos are, you can multiply like this only, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 eights are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 85 twos are 170. Like this we can multiply and make the chart of the tables of any number. So now let's write the tables of 85. Threes are 255. Here I am writing directly 85. Fours are 340. 85 fives are 425. 85 six are 510. 85 sevens are 595. 85 eights are 680. 85 nines are 765. 85 tens are 850. If we write the tables in the working column, it will be easy to divide any large numbers. Now let's write the problem. 9025 divided by 85. As we are having the divisor 2 digits, we will be taking 2 digits in dividend also. So we will check how much does 90 comes in 85 table. 90, see 85 twos is 170. So we have to select 85, that is ones are. 85 ones are 85 minus, do borrowing, 10 and this becomes 8. 10 minus 5 is 5. As 5 is lesser than 85, I will bring down the next digit, that is 2. After bringing down the next digit also, 52 is also lesser than 85. So if I want to bring down the next digit at the same time, I will be putting 0 in quotient. I will bring down the next digit, number 5. Now it becomes 525. Now we will check in the tables 525. Okay, we can opt this number because 595 will be greater than 525, which we cannot select. So how much is 510? 6 are. 85 6 are 510. Now we will do minus 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. So no need to write 0 because any 0 before any number will not be having any value. So no need to write 0 here. So can we divide 15 by 85? No, because 15 is lesser than 85. So the quotient is equal to 106 and the remainder will be 15. Let's solve another problem. Divide 10,000 by 74. As I have said previously, we can write the divisor numbers table in a working column in a side. If we are finding difficult to write the tables, we can multiply directly and we can make a chart, make a ready chart of the table of the divisor. Now let's solve the problem. If you follow this method, you can divide any large numbers easily and quickly. You may take time to write the table chart, but if you follow this method, you will be solving any type of large numbers of division. Now let's solve out 10,000 divided by 74. So as the divisor is 2 digit, we will take dividend also 2 digit. Can we divide 10 by 74? No. So let's take 3 digits. It becomes 100 and therefore we can divide 100 by 74. Now let's check in the table where does the 100 comes. Okay, here we are having 148. We can't take because it is greater than 100. We will opt the first one, 74. That is 74 ones are 74. So we will minus, this becomes 10, this becomes 0 and this becomes 9. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2. Can we divide 26 by 74? No. So we will bring down the next digit, 0. So 260, where does it comes in the table? Let's check. 260. So let's opt this 222. How much is 222? 3s are 74. 3s are 222. So let's minus. This becomes 10. This becomes 5. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. As we can't divide 38 by 74, let's bring down the next digit 0. So let's check in the table where does 380 comes. 380. Okay, let's opt this one 370. How much is 370? 5 za. 74 5 za 370. Let's minus 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So no need to write 0 before any number because it doesn't have any value. So can we divide 10 by 74? No. Are we having next digit to bring down? No. So hence the quotient is equal to 135 and the remainder is equal to 10. Let's solve out another problem. Divide 31,760 by 98. So let's write the problem divided by 98. So let's take the 2 digit. Can we divide 31 by 98? No. So let's extend to the 3 digits. So where does the 317 comes in tables of 98? 317. Okay, we can opt this one. So 98 3s are 294 because we can't opt the next one because 392 is greater than 317. So let's do minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. We can't minus 1 by 9. Let's borrow and this becomes 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Can we divide 23 by 98? No. Now let's bring down the next digit 6 and it becomes 236. Let's see in the tables 236. So we can opt 196. So 98 2s are 196 minus 6 minus 6 is 0. We can't minus 3 by 9. So let's do borrowing. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Can we divide 40 by 98? No. So let's bring down the next digit 0 and it becomes 400. Let's check in the table. So this one we can opt 392 because 490 is greater than 400 which we cannot divide. Okay, 98 4s are 392. So borrow, this becomes 9 and this becomes 3. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Can we divide 8 by 98? No. Are we having any other next digit to bring down? No. And hence the quotient is equal to 324 and the remainder is equal to 8. Okay, let's solve out today's last problem. Divide 22,800 by 56. Okay, let's write the problem. 22,800 divided by 56. Okay, let's start dividing with 2 digits. Can we divide 22 by 56? No, 22 is lesser than 56. So let's take the 3 digit. It becomes 228. Let's check in the tables where does the 228 comes in 56 tables. 228. Okay, let's stop here. Let's take 224 because the next number 280 is greater than 228 which cannot be divided. So let's take 56. 4s are 224. So let's do minus. 8 minus 4 is 4. Can we divide 4 by 56? No. So let's bring down the next digit 0. It becomes 40. Can we divide 40 by 56? No. Because 40 is lesser than 56. We have to bring down the next digit. For that, what step we have to take? We have to write 0 in the quotient and bring down the next digit 0. So it becomes 400. Where does the 400 comes in table 56? 400. Okay, 448 which is greater than 400. So let's take the previous number, that is 392. How much are 7s are? 56 7s are 392. So let's subtract, do the borrowing. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Can we divide 8 by 56? No. Are we having any other next digit to bring down? No. And hence quotient is equal to 407 and the remainder is equal to 8. So this way we can write the tables of the divisor number in the workout column and we can divide any large numbers easily and quickly.
Thanks for watching! like and share this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun.